Hey, so we want to talk a little bit about spring activities, and the health of our spine. Spring, and I've been hearing this already from a lot of people. The weather's getting nice. We're doing yard work. We're doing mulch. We're playing gardens. We're doing all those kinds of activities, which requires a lot of bending. And so, when we're bending and flexing, that can put a lot of stress on your low back. It can also put a lot of stress on your neck and your upper back. So, one of the most important things when you're doing all these outdoor activities is just be mindful of your spine position and your posture. Try not to like round your back. Try to kind of flex at your hips and bring yourself down, or try to put like a knee cushion or a pad down, and you can kneel and work if you're going to be on your hands and knees, so to speak. Or you can even get like a small stool or even a 5-gallon bucket and turn it over and sit on that. And again, bend from the waist. Don't round your back, but bend from the waist. Try to keep your spine and your head in line. The most you keep your head and your spine in alignment and position will put a lot less stress on your neck. So just, again, be mindful of how you're holding your body and doing that with your activities so we're not putting stress into the upper body or the lower body. Another thing that's really common this time of the year is seasonal allergies. So as the weather's changing and plants are kind of exploding, and pollen and all those mold, all kinds of things that are going out there, sneezing and coughing and runny nose and all those things. So one thing that's critically important when you're dealing with allergies and dealing with sinus stuff is your neck alignment. Upper cervical spine has a massive influence on allergies and sinuses. So of course the season can be a trigger. Being in proper alignment can definitely reduce your reaction to these allergies and to these seasonal changes. Also, if you're dealing with a lot of these seasonal changes, that can actually put you out of alignment. So if we're coughing and sneezing and doing these things, that's a common way to lose our alignment. So if you're dealing with any of these things and you haven't been checked, please obviously come in and get checked. We just want to make sure you're in the best health you can be as we make this transition into spring and then summer.